up, guys? Just got done with my workout. It's about 10:30 in the morning Central Time. Market opened about 8:30. So I got into PayPal about an hour ago. I'm up over $1,000 in profit on PayPal right now. About to drive home, get some food, and I'll keep you guys updated along the way. Definitely got to go get some gas as well. Maserati needs a drink. Hasn't been drinking. All right, so we are back to the office right now, and I'm going to show you guys PayPal that I'm up $1,000, and I'm also going to show you guys how I got in, why I got in, and some reasoning behind it so you guys can understand. All right, you see I am up $1,040 right now. Contracts up about 25%. So here's how much I spent to get into this contract. I spent about $4,160 to purchase 20 contracts. 20 contracts right there. Expiration date 12/13, in about 2 weeks or so, 2 Fridays from now, because all contracts expire every Friday. And I got a 103 strike price, 103 call. So the average cost per share that I got into was about 2.08. The current contract value right now is about 2.61. As you guys can see, price is still going up. Also, if there's anybody that's thinking that this is a demo account, this is a fake account, you cannot create a demo account on Robinhood. So that's one of the reasons why I like to use Robinhood as well, especially for all my followers, because I want to be transparent with you guys. I want you guys to know that this is real money. This isn't some bullshit. This isn't fake. Trading off a demo account like you can trade with TD Ameritrade, with Thinkorswim, or E-Trade, where they have those demo accounts you can start off with. So you cannot make a demo account on Robinhood. That's one of the really big reasons why I like to use this and why I like to use this account a lot. So right now the current value is $5,200. If I was to close this trade out right now, I would be profiting about $1,040. And let me go ahead and let's break this down and show you guys why I got into PayPal. So I'm going to break down this chart for you guys real quick. So here we are, PayPal. Oh, get out of my face. So here we are in PayPal right now. So one of the big reasons why I got into PayPal was because of this right here. Really nice support on the bottom of the cloud. This morning, price gapped up about $1 or so, and I always check the futures before, especially after the weekend, to see how the market's gonna go. And the futures were up pretty nice, so that's one of the reasons why. Too, I want to get into PayPal, but I let everybody know actually in PayPal when price first opened up that I wanted to go ahead and I needed to get in a pullback. So this was the pullback we went ahead and got into. I actually got in a little bit later than everybody else, of course, because price just jumped up right away. So we got in down here rather than just going ahead and getting into high, because the last thing I want to do is get into an impulse. So this would be an impulse. You see this whole purple candle, a big move up. I don't want to get it at the high because it might pull back down. It could have went back down and filled this gap, but good thing it did not do that at all. So now we're sitting in profit currently right now on PayPal. So the reason why I bought this is because of a bounce off of these lows right here. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. If you don't understand ICHIMOKU Kinko Ohio, you can go ahead and check out some of my most recent videos. If you guys want to keep on following me, follow me on Instagram. Also, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here's my Instagram name, Tyler Trades. That is my Instagram for everybody that does not know. At Tyler Trades. Let me show you guys real quick. If you guys aren't following me yet, you guys definitely want to go ahead and follow me. I'm having a very big Black Friday special too, so you guys can learn how to trade ICHIMOKU Kinko Ohio.